This is lesson 6-5, draw a picture. And this is our problem solving lesson. Our essential question, how can a picture or diagram be used to help solve a problem? No vocab for this lesson. All right, example number 1. Smithville is 9/10 miles from Jamestown. Locate Smithville on the number line. So we have Jamestown right here at the 0 mile marker. And they already put up to 3/10 for us. So I would assume then that every line is worth 1/10. So this would be 1/10. This would be 2/10. Then we already have 3/10. And Smithville is 9/10 away from Jamestown. So we need to continue adding. This would be 4/10. 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, and 9/10. So 9/10 is the location of Smithville because it's 9/10 miles away from Jamestown. Example number 2, and this is actually going to be our last example. Now you're going to see something very similar to this on your test, so I really want you to pay attention to this problem. Ashley is making a walkway out of stepping stones. The walkway is 4 feet long, and she places stones every 5/10 feet. She placed the first stone, the middle stone, and the last stone. How should she place the others? So here you can see her first stone right here at 0 feet, her middle stone at 2 feet, and the last stone at 4 feet because the walkway altogether is 4 feet long. And now we have to put in the other stones every 5/10 feet. So if I'm going from 0, my first one is going to be 5/10. Then if I add 5/10, because I'm adding 5/10 every time, plus 5/10, bring down that decimal, I get 1. So my next one is going to be at 1 foot. Then if I add 1 foot plus another 5/10, I get 1 5/10 feet. Then if I were to add 1 5/10 feet plus 5/10 more, I get 2, which is already there. That's my middle stone. And I would keep going. So if I add another 5, it would be 2 5/10. Then 3 5/10, and then 4. Now the one on your test is going to go by something other than 5/10. It's going to be something a little different, but it's going to be very similar to this. So make sure you copy this entire example down. And we only have one practice problem. A marker is placed every 4/10 feet on a football field. Complete the number line to show where each marker is placed. So very similar to the ones we've already done. Don't forget a word problem or a question and rate your understanding.